For today's nail art, we are going to stamp some layered flowers. My nails are polished Look at You Pink-achu and No Filter Needed from Morgan Taylor, and I'm going to add a layer of liquid latex around my two white nails. Using UberChic's Texture-Licious plate, I'm going to stamp a black background onto my nails. Because I'm stamping over a black and white background, I'm going to first choose white before I start adding any color. This way I get a nice even coverage and my black won't show through darker. Using the color Barbie from Mundo, I'm going to stamp a flower in the corner of my nail using stamping plate Criacoes B from Apipila. Using that same image, I'm going to stamp a blue flower in the opposite corner. And the color I'm using is Caribe from Mundo. Now I'll outline the flowers using a black stamping polish. Remove the liquid latex and add some white dots to the center of each flower. I'm going to add some polish to the back of an old gift card and use a dotting tool to complete our design. Finish with your favorite top coat. And here's the completed design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.